Search and download Little White Box on Huawei App Gallery. Change file extension in Settings. Pull down to refresh and see the version list. Download the Debug Assistant and Minecraft Launcher first. This uses a Windows virtual machine, but you can also use TongTong. Open Debug Assistant to log into Huawei account first. Find Developer Options in System Settings.